हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज जो लास्ट क्लास में हम किए थे और जो कॉन्सेप्ट दिया था रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन के ऊपर, आज पढ़ेंगे क्या उसका बेस, उसका अप्लाइड कुछ क्वेश्चन करेंगे। ठीक है, तो अभी मैं एक क्वेश्चन करने के लिए जा रहा हूँ। देखो क्वेश्चन 1। ठीक है, तो फाइंड द फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शनल। ठीक है, तो इन दिस 4, 16, 7 and this is the fourth proportional. So how can you find out this one? As I have given you in the last class that a by b is equal to c by d. With the help of this formula we can easily find out 4 by 16 is equal to 7 by how much? No, तो देखो इसका ये 4 गुना है, इसका 4 गुना कर दो 28. So this will be the answer. So fourth proportional will be 28. Okay, in this way we can easily find out the fourth proportional. Similarly, other question we will have to do here. In the last class मैं तुमको बताया था कि जो डुप्लीकेट रेशियो, ट्रिप्लीकेट रेशियो, इसी के बारे में दिया था. ठीक है, अच्छा एक देखो ट्रिप्लीकेट रेशियो. ट्रिप्लीकेट रेशियो ऑफ 7:5. How can you find out? Triplicate ratio I have given you. This will be is equal to 7 cubed is to 5 cubed. So 7 cubed will be how much? It will be 343 is to how much? 125. Okay, so this is the triplicate ratio. Similarly, soft triplicate ratio. Soft triplicate ratio of, for example, 5 1 2 is to 7 to 9. It is a question. It is second question. It is third question. So soft triplicate ratio. How can you find out? We'll have to your cube root of this and cube root of this. So 5 1 8 cube root will be 8 and it will be 9. So this will be your answer. Understood? So in this way you can find out. The other questions will again we can solve. Let us continue. So let another question I would like to give you here. A is equal to 1 by 4b. Understood? And b is equal to 1 by 2c. So here we will have to find out what will be a is to b is to c. What will be a is to b is to c. So here you can know that this is implies that a by b is equal to 1 by 4. It means 1 is to 4. Similarly, this is in this way here we may implies here b by c is equal to 1 is to 2. So we may write here b by c is equal to 1 is to 2. So here in this case b is equal to 4, here b is equal to 1. So we may make it as 4. So it will be 4 is to 8. Understood? So what will be a is to b is to c? Then will be 1 is to 4 is to 8. This will be our answer. Understood? This is very interesting ones. Understood? Another question, a very your interesting one. We'll have to solve. Okay? For example, the ratio of A is to B is to C. Here is another question. It is given 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 12. Understood? So this is given in your fraction. This is the ratio is given in the fraction. So how can you find out in a whole number ratio? Here, what we will have to do? We will have to find out the LCM of the denominator, and thereafter we will have to multiply in each, so that we will get the whole number ratio. So what will be the LCM of 2, 3, 12? LCM of 2, 3, 12 is equal to, it will be 12. So we will have to multiply with 12 here. 12, 12, 12. So that here, what we will get? It will be 6 is to 4 is to 1. So now we have got this A is to B is to C is equal to 6 is to 4 is to 1. So this is a whole number ratio. This will be our answer. Understood? These are the simple questions of the ratio proportion. There are so many applied your questions also. I will give you one very interesting ones. Your देखो एक क्वेश्चन है, इन ए स्कूल द रेशियो ऑफ बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स आर 4:5. In a school, the ratio of boys and girls were 4:5. Understood? When 100 girls left, then the ratio becomes 6:7. 6:7. Understood? Then how many boys were there in the class? How many boys were in the school? So, देखो boys girls here 4:5. Later on, when 100 girls left, then it becomes 6:7. So, you just see 6:7. So, here this 4:5. Earlier it was 4. So, these boys here 4, it will be 6. But here boys were not left. That's why I will have to make it equal here. Boys should be make it equal. 4 and 6. So how can you? How can it be made equal? We'll have to take the LCM. 4, 6 LCM. 4, 6 का LCM कितना होगा? 12. So हमको पहले इसको 12 के में कन्वर्ट करना है दोनों में. इसको 12 करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 15. इसको 12 करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा कितना? 14. ठीक है, तो देखो बॉयज इक्वल हुआ कि नहीं, लेकिन गर्ल्स 1 पार्ट लेस हुआ. व्हाई इट इज लेस? बिकॉज 100 गर्ल्स हैव लेफ्ट. अंडरस्टूड? तो मैं इधर ले रहा हूं 1 पार्ट लेस इक्वल टू 100. तो टोटल कितना बॉयज थे? 12 पार्ट्स इक्वल टू 1200. इट विल बी आंसर. अंडरस्टूड? इट इज ए मेथड. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड एंड वेरी इजी वंस. सो यहाँ पर हम 4 को नहीं ले रहे हैं बॉयज, या 6 को नहीं ले रहे हैं क्योंकि इक्वल नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पर 12 को ले रहे हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पर डिक्रीज भी हो रहा है. देखो 15 से 14, लेकिन यहाँ पर 5 और 7 या तो बढ़ ज्यादा हो जा रहा है. इसलिए 15 से 14 1 लेस. व्हाई इट इज लेस? बिकॉज 100 गर्ल्स लेफ्ट. सो हम 1 पार्ट्स को 100 ले रहे हैं, तो 12 parts का कितना? 1200. It is the number of boys. Understood? This will be answer. Okay. So in the very next class, we may continue the several examples. Okay. So thank you for today.